Alright, well, I almost forgot to do this part of the video because I was chatting with Pete. He stopped by again while the Enjomor was finishing up, and I didn't reset the Enjomor because I thought it was going to quit pretty soon after the ETX, but it ran for 15-20 minutes more. The ETX was kind of cantankerous, which is odd, but it did run its whole tank of fuel out while it was running. The Enjomor, having the switch on it is real nice. I'm going to have to do something about the wire here because it was rubbing on the flywheel. I'll need to make sure that I have a way for that to stay out of the way. I might make a clip for it. Yeah, really pleased with how nice the Enjomor looks on the new base. The switch is good. The ETX, not sure why it was kind of cantankerous, but it was nice I could start it by hand. I've never tried doing that because I always had the pull rope and remembered it, but trying to think of what else. Oh yeah, when I get the EM2 running, I haven't done a full review of all the engines I own again in a while, so once I get the EM2 in order, I will probably do a ranking video of all the engines, but we'll see what happens once I get the EM2 to run for a bit. And the ETX was 1450 to 1550 when I checked the RPMs, and the Enjomor is doing 1200 to 1600, so they're running pretty nice.